Hey guys, this is Fundom on One Show Parama. Tonight on Uzalo, Mondli searched the Vika room and he found the cell phone. And Mondli tell Vika that he will teach Vika a lesson he will never forget. Kwanda breaks up with Hleziphi. And Hleziphi, it seems like Kwanda is breaking with her because of Nonka. And Lily put her happiness first and goes public with her relationship. And Amahle enjoy it. Hlelo goes to Nosipho to borrow the money for Sbu. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.